Well, today we're all in for a treat. Only in Canada, boys. Speaking of Canada, this is a very, very nice piece of Canadian history right here. We got Jos Cote, Montreal, Quebec. I don't know if I even said that correctly at this point. I don't care. Because it's French. And yeah, there we go. I can kind of focus. There we go. That's what it says right there. Yeah, and it's in a full hunter's case. I just put this new bow on there not too long, or a bow on there not too long ago. It's very nice indeed. Both sides don't have any wear on them, as you can see, just on the sides, I guess, which is not very worrisome to me when I got both of the friggin' front and back plates with no fucking wear. So, yeah, like I'm gonna complain. So, not only this is a full hunter, there we go, back and front, yeah, there we go. Currently running. This is where it's at. There we go. Notice I don't use a big, huge fucking knife. There we go. We got here is a 1903 Omega. Since you couldn't just ship in an Omega, you had to skip a bunch of taxes and shit by getting an unmarked one. So here it is, unmarked, but it's on the dial side. It is a true Omega. Any Omega collector will be like, yep, that's the real deal. So, and this one's currently serviced by me, and it's, so far it's gained 15 seconds today. Like, ooh. You know, I could regulate it finer and finer, but that takes fucking days and shit like that. Blah, blah, blah. But look at that amplitude. Fuck yeah, man. Let's see if I can get a good shot of that. Yeah, look at that. Blued hairspring. Fuck yeah, 15 joules, boys. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rust on the crown wheel, but you know, this thing's 118 years old. What do you want? What do you expect? You know, so yeah, shit. That ticked right there for a bit. Maybe I can get some light in here. Shine up. There we go. 1903 Omega. Loving it. And this thing's friggin' heavy too. Like, it is not a light watch by far. But yeah, man, that amplitude. Yeah. Wow. Like, this looks like the 1894 caliber too. I think it's the Sabinet or whatever. But yeah, Omega just re-released the 125th anniversary model, and it looks very much like this, but a 23 joule variant. And boom, Like, this is the original real deal that they based that off of, and it's currently running. And it's in very, very nice shape, you know, like fucking that. And it comes from Canada, man, like Montreal, Quebec. Some jeweler did that up. It's like, order in this, put it in this case. Oh, that's a cat in the background. Forget it, cat. So I'm going to close this up. There we go. Because this cat wants out and this dog wants out. I can't believe that. But yeah. There we go. 118-year-old friggin' Omega in a friggin' hunter's case. Full hunter's case. And, you know, like, the only thing you can really see is the hairline. And that's the only thing. And the wear and tear on the friggin' sides. Like, other than that, she's mint, boys. Just put a new fucking bow on there. And, yeah, good. Like, I am thoroughly impressed with this piece. It's one of my favorite ones. I have a 23 jewel fucking Vanguard model 1892, and it's just like, psh. Sometimes I come back to this because I know the scarcity of the hunter's case, especially an Omega in a hunter's case, a fully functional one. Like, boom, you know, and she's not super stretched out. You know, like fucking, she's currently ticking 15 seconds ahead of digital time. What can I say, man? That's a piece of Canadian history. And yeah, peace out from Canada. 1903 Hunter Case friggin' Omega, man. Woo! Maybe the friggin' company will see this. Not just kidding. Anyways, gotta let this friggin' cat and dog out, as you heard. Alright, peace out. Woo!